Today we're visiting one of the most popular shopping destinations in Managua, Nicaragua, Galleria Santo Domingo. From the moment you arrive, the mall gives a modern, welcoming vibe that feels very different from the traditional open-air markets. The architecture is spacious, clean, and designed with both indoor and semi-open areas. Parking is very convenient, with large available spaces and free parking depending on the time of visit. Security is very visible throughout the mall, which makes the experience feel safe and comfortable. As I walk in, I immediately noticed how many stores there were, ranging from international brands to local boutiques. There are fashion stores, electronic shops, beauty stores, and lifestyle boutiques spread across multiple levels. The mall is large enough that you can easily spend hours exploring without realizing the time. The atmosphere here throughout the mall feels lively but not overwhelming. Family, couples, and friends are all seen to enjoy spending time here. There are also entertainment spaces for kids, making it a family-friendly destination. The prices across the mall vary, but overall are reasonable for the quality and location. Some stores are high-end, others are more affordable for everyday shopping. Walking through the mall, I noticed how clean and well-maintained everything was. The lighting and design make it feel modern and comfortable at all times of the day. There are plenty of seating areas where you can relax between shopping or meals. Everything feels organized and thoughtfully laid out. Compared to other shopping centers in the region, this mall stands out for its atmosphere. It truly combines shopping, dining, and entertainment in one location. One thing I really liked is how easy it was to navigate the entire space. If you're visiting Managua, this is definitely a place you should not miss. Whether you're here for food, movies, or shopping, there's something for everyone. My personal experience here was very positive and enjoyable from start to finish. I highly recommend visiting with family, friends to get the full experience. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures like this. One of the highlights is the cinema, which offers modern movie experiences with comfortable seating and a clean environment. We also noticed a Flor de Caña experience area, which highlights Nicaragua's famous rum in a premium setting. It adds a cultural touch that connects shopping with the local heritage. The food options here are diverse. It's not just a typical food court. There are casual dining restaurants, mid-range sit-down restaurants, and specialty dining experiences. As we explored, we decided to dine at Domingo, one of the restaurants located inside Galleria Santo Domingo. The restaurant had a warm and inviting atmosphere with friendly service. We ordered the parrillada de carne. The presentation was absolutely impressive. The meat was grilled to perfection and full of rich and smoky flavors. The portions here were generous and perfect for sharing. The sides complemented the dish very well and added balance to the meal. Honestly, it was one of the best dining experiences I had in the mall. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next destination.